Welcome back to Gun Trek, everyone. Today we've got an exciting compact carry option for you that I am particularly jazzed about because this is the Israel Weapon Industries Masada Slim Elite. So this is the second generation of the Masada Slim, which I have, and I'm really excited about to see what they have on this next generation. This is not my particular firearm, this is a customer's, but he's kind enough to let me put it here on the channel so you guys can see it. And I'm super excited to get it in my hands and see how it feels compared to the original, which I've carried for a couple of years. So let's get to the unboxing here. Pretty standard box. Crack it open. And here we go. Under the foam, got here tool and screws, that's important. Lock, sticker, warranty card, right? Pretty standard fare. All important stuff. Yeah, now look at the start of the show. So this particular weapon, you're safe, good. Has a few upgrades on it that the original didn't have that I wished it did. Number one, the magazine, the extended magazine. This is a 17 round option, IWI branded, with the base plate on here that is textured on all sides. This is, I think, a great option. Super nice attention to detail, much appreciated. Then it has a 13 round standard mag option if you want that flush fit. The other cool thing about that is this slight mag well here that you have, which was not on the original, is also cut in the center so that if you need to grab it and rip, you have a little area to do that. But this is a, this is a super tactile mag release button. Let me take a look here, the extended option. Wow, this feels great in the hand. That's fantastic. The original, super good ergonomics. This just carries it a step forward with that magwell. Extended magazine options. The texture is a little more aggressive than on the original, which I really like. It also has kind of that memory texture up here for your sport hand. If you are interested in it, it's on both sides. You can change this for the ambidextrous amongst the group here, which is really nice. The trigger is a flat face trigger with, of course, the safety in the center there. Let's take a look at this. Nice. Lock the back board. Audible reset, nice break. So that trigger is about the same as I would expect is about the same as I experienced on the original. So I'm super happy with this. These are nice upgrades. Like I said, this is the gun that I wish the first one was, and yet I'm still happy with the first option. This is RMSC footprint here on top. In general, I think that unloaded, this is about a 20-ounce gun. I think it is 23 with the 13 round in, and then I think add an ounce for the 17 round. The barrel on this is 3.4 inches, so it's a nice carry option for you. You can see the sights here. It's got your accessory rail, which is nice. Has the undercut on the trigger guard, which is super nice, especially for these smaller guns, which tend to be a little bit snappier. Makes it significantly more comfortable as you hold it. It's got standard white front dot sights on this one, the blacked out rear. There is an option where I believe you can get this with the high-vis, the fiber optic front sights. So if that's something you're interested in, look out for that model. The rail here, it's compatible. Your Streamlight and your TLR 7/8s, your subcompact stuff there. So super feature rich and feature friendly. I'm a huge fan of this one. Look at this. This is a nice finish. This looks like it's well done. The fit, right? A little bit of play as you'd expect in these striker fire guns, but all in all, exceptional work from IWI in general. Big fan of this one. If you guys have one of these, definitely comment below. Let us know your thoughts. I like it. Am I crazy? Or is this gun just as good as I think it is? If you need to change the grip for some reason, it does come with these extra back straps, which are really richly textured, which is super nice. So seems like you've got everything that you need to succeed in this box here. So again, if you have some thoughts on this, leave them below. Appreciate you guys taking a look at this one. If you want to see some other stuff, leave a comment, let me know, and I will see what I can do for you. Thanks for tuning in. See you on the next one.